Choosing a cockatiel as a pet bird can be a great decision for several reasons. 1. Friendly and social nature. Cockatiels are known for their friendly and affectionate personalities. They often bond closely with their owners and enjoy being part of the family. They are social birds that thrive on interaction, making them great companions. 2. Intelligent and trainable. Cockatiels are intelligent birds and can learn tricks, mimic sounds, and even whistle tunes. They can be trained to step up onto your hand, come when called, or perform simple behaviors. 3. Size and manageability. Cockatiels are small to medium-sized birds, making them easier to care for compared to larger parrots. They require less space and are more manageable for first-time bird owners. 4. Long lifespan. With proper care, cockatiels can live for 15 to 20 years or even longer, providing a long-term companion. 5. Low maintenance compared to larger birds. Cockatiels are relatively low maintenance compared to larger parrots. They don't require as much space, and their dietary needs are straightforward. They are generally quieter than larger birds, though they can still vocalize and whistle. 6. Playful and entertaining. Cockatiels are playful and curious, often entertaining themselves with toys or exploring their environment. Their antics and behaviors can be very amusing and endearing. 7. Affordable. Compared to larger parrots, cockatiels are more affordable to purchase and maintain. Their food, toys, and cage requirements are generally less expensive. 8. Variety of colors and patterns. Cockatiels come in a variety of color mutations, e.g. Lutino, Pied, Pearl, Gray, allowing you to choose one that appeals to your aesthetic preferences. 9. Good for beginners. Cockatiels are often recommended for first-time bird owners because of their gentle nature and relatively easy care requirements. 10. Emotional connection. Cockatiels are known for forming strong bonds with their owners. They can be very affectionate and enjoy being petted or sitting on your shoulder. Things to consider. Time commitment. Cockatiels need daily interaction and mental stimulation. They can become lonely or bored if left alone for long periods. Noise level. While quieter than larger parrots, cockatiels can still be vocal, especially during the morning and evening. Dust. Cockatiels produce a fine powder to keep their feathers healthy, which can be an issue for people with allergies or respiratory sensitivities. If you're looking for a loving, intelligent, and manageable bird that can bring joy to your life, a cockatiel might be the perfect choice.